Okay, I'm back. So we're reading 1 Peter 5:5. It says, likewise, ye young spirits, submit yourself unto the elder. Yeah, all of you be subject one to another. And be clothed with humility. It's very important. Be clothed with humility. That's why he said going to be great tribulation on this earth. And as we read in 2nd Ezra 8:50, in the last days that we in, because of great pride. That's why I said, be clothed with humility, which is contrary to being prideful. For the Most High resisteth the proud and giveth grace to the humble. Grace is getting something that you don't deserve. He give grace to the humble. Not no prideful people. Humble yourselves, therefore, under the mighty hand of the Most High. Remember, it's a fearful thing to fall into the hands of living power. Humble yourselves, therefore, under the mighty hand of the Most High, that he may exalt you in due time. So that's why people look at, okay, well, you can't exalt yourself, but somebody else can exalt you when they come through the Most High. You get an exaltation. We already said that he may exalt you in due time, casting all your care upon